Right, so welcome to Project Chinesium. If I didn't mention it in the intro of this bike, plan is to make it road legal, if that's even possible, to be fair. Try to do it as cheap as possible, so I'm going to be buying pretty much exclusively Chinese parts. This throttle and its cable cost me a whole £7. Oh, another thing I changed, I had to redo the stopcock because it was cocked. So right, what we're going to do in today's episode is clean up the brake a little bit, see if we can get this dingle-dangle motherfucker working. Let's go. Right, I cheated a little bit. This is one of the things that I did before actually filming anything. That was full of mud, like brimming. So a bit of pokery, jiggery, and I've cleared most of it out. And, well, the caliper's probably seen better days. It looks like it's okay for the most part. I can't get the cylinders out at all. So it's going over there for now. The sliders, they seem okay. I'll probably end up changing this at some point anyway, because I probably need to buy a new swing arm for it. I'll have calipers come in. As we've seen on the previous episode, these have been abused. We'll say abused. But we'll go to cleaning the disc, see if we can get some life out of it. I'll apologise right now if you can't see too much of this. I'm still figuring out how to film in this bloody place. And yes, I'm using WD-40 on a brake. You see how fucked it is yet? Hold on. You see it? It has... I'm just making shadows, I'm not even really showing anything. Anyway, let's get on with it. I should probably take it off the bike as well instead of doing it this way, but this is how I'm doing it for now. I've just realised that's a terrible angle. That probably won't help much. If I were a smarter human, I would have better ways to do things. I've no way of getting in the back of it to actually clean the back of it right now. And does that look recoverable? It looks a little better. I might be able to save that. Totally wasn't the bike just nearly falling over. I've temporarily just attached the light in, just to see if it'll run. Right, so it's temporarily jimmied up. Let's see if I can get it to start. Well, it looks like the light works because it's flashing as I'm kicking over. Well, it doesn't want to start today, so... Well, by kicking it over like that, we've determined that the charging system does work, so what I can do is I can go to getting rid of that wiring. It's fucked. It's fucked as well. You shouldn't ask. If it's a question of does it work? Fuck no. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed episode 1 of Project Chinesium. Catch you in the next one.